So first I must share with you, Raju, before coming for this event, I had one conversation with him and I did ask him, what's the overall theme of the conference? And he says it's about future of HR. And next question was for me to know what's the format of the session which we were going to be in. So he took me through it and realizing, given the format of the session, I'll do away with any presentations. I have some few simple thoughts to share. And few simple thoughts to share is largely to do with the overall theme of the event, which is on future of HR. And maybe you would see glimpses of the added theme of innovation there, because that's very much part of what we strive on a day-to-day basis. And I'll try and keep it brief because really, I guess the richer part of what we will deliberate on will come through the dialogues which we are likely to have. I do not wish to actually talk about in terms of, given the larger context in which we live today, which is the volatility which we experience, the whole demographic shift which we are seeing on an increased basis, on a day-to-day basis, India and the demographic dividends and what it implies for HR, the technology shift and what kind of changes is it driving, the whole global mindset which we need to demonstrate. At least it's my view, enough has been written on this subject, and I'm sure there are people who can actually speak on this subject further to be able to give you all additional insights. Raju did mention that for the last 3 years, I have not had an opportunity, or I have for some reason not been able to participate in his sessions. But I do recall last time when we participated, the themes were pretty much the same, and I can bet 3 years from now, if I was to come, these themes are not going to change. And I've been thinking about it. So look, these themes, the context of these themes may change, given in terms of how the world around us is changing. So what's durable about what's enduring about being able to drive, which will still make us deliver on what's expected of us from HR, right? And that's a thought which is there with me at all times. I have a reasonably large group. That's something which we debate on an ongoing basis, that what's enduring and what's something which will help us irrespective of what times we live in, right? Whether these are times of extreme volatility, when these are times when we are seeing in terms of hectic growth. Independent of that, what are some of the enduring qualities which we need to demonstrate as a function, right, and as HR professionals? And that's something which, around this theme, I would like to just quickly share my own practitioner view. Last 22, 23 years, I've been as part of the profession, what I have seen, what I've observed, what I keep telling my own colleagues in my own team, what I have grown up with, observing many of the leaders I have worked for.